Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good days, ladies and gentlemen, honorable member of jury, and my dear audience. Thanks a lot for the time that given to me to participate in this debate. Firstly, ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Rifan Gunawan, and I am here as the speaker of affirmative side. I am the representative from SMAN 1 Sumedang, West Java, and I am very happy to participate in this competition of National School Debating Championship. Next, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to confess that our parameter today, the discussion of this motion, should only be delivered in our nation of Indonesia. Our motion today is this House would abolish primary and middle school years that group children based on age and instead group time by competency and intelligence. Now, the definition of motion is first point, abolish, meaning for to get away or to erase elements or particles from system. Second point is primary schools, meaning for a school for children between the age of about 6 to 12 years old. The third point is middle school, meaning for a school for children from about 12 to 15 years old. The fourth point is children, meaning for a young human between the stage of birth and puberty, or between the developmental period of infancy and puberty. The fifth point is age, meaning for the length of time that a person has lived or a thing has existed. The sixth point is competency, meaning for the ability to do something successfully or efficiently. The last point is intelligence, meaning for the ability to acquire and apply knowledge and skill. Now, firstly, ladies and gentlemen, we know there are so many negative impacts if we, from the primary, middle, and school years, students group children based on age, such as students who are differentiated in class will feel themselves humiliated and ignored. Then, based on Permendikbud number 3, year 2020, concerning higher education standard, the goal of the Merdeka Merdeka policy is to encourage students to master various fields of knowledge according to their areas of expertise, so that they are ready to compete in the global world, according to Baharudin 2021, according to Fatmawati 2020, and according to Tohir 2020. This policy provides an opportunity for students to choose the course they will take based on their own desires. Each school has its own authority to regulate its school, including in terms of managing students. The formulation of the problem in this study as is follows: students who have high academic scores at school need to be grouped into one class. This paradigm is still embedded in society, and teachers usually use this paradigm to classify students who have higher academic achievement in class. This study aims to provide an overview of the attitudes of teachers, students, and parents regarding the implementation of grouping students based on academic achievement. The research by Dodi Hendro Wibowo in 2015 was conducted on students, teachers, and parents at one of the public primary schools in the city of Semarang. The population in the study were students in grades 4 and grades 5. A total of 166 students and 166 parents and 6 teachers. Data were collected using questionnaires and interview. The results show that class A, B, C regarding high grades, medium grades, and low grades agree with grouping students by ability. According to the research above, it has been proved that grouping students by ability is the best thing to do implemented. Now, grouping is usually done by considering the assumption that students will develop optimally if given an environment with the same academic abilities. This is reinforced by another assumption that students with high potential will compete with each other. This competition is positive to stimulate achievement. Likewise, students with low academic ability will develop according to their potential. Another consideration is the right of every student to get the best service at school. Grouping is a way to provide the best service for students. Then I have a popular quote by Mr. Rick Wormley, an educator week teacher, quoting, "Let's improve those parts of our teaching practice that may be weaker. And remember that we should teach the way our students best learn, not the way we best learn. Our success will come with theirs," says Rick Wormley. Then, in conclusion, I believe that grouping primary and middle school students by competency and intelligence is the right thing to do implemented. Students must receive learning according to their intelligence and competence. They have shown that children can develop well. Every student is a champion in their each field. That's all I can deliver from my argument, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much. That's enough for my argument. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.